If you are someone who loves both spicy food and seafood, then this peri peri butter garlic prawns recipe is perfect for you. You can churn up this dish in about 15 minutes and start your meal on a buttery and spicy note. So without further ado, let's see how it's made. Start by finely chopping 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. We add olive oil to the butter since butter has the tendency to burn out fast and the olive oil helps maintain its temperature. Once the two have warmed up, add in the garlic and fry it until it turns light brown or golden brown in color. Now add in the cleaned and deveined prawns along with a teaspoon of rock salt and stir it well. As the prawns cook, they'll begin to change color, so watch out for that. Add in 1 tablespoon of peri peri powder and mix it once again. Follow this with 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir it well. And cover with the lid for about 2 minutes. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of regular sugar and mix it well so that the sugar melts. Now give it a citrusy edge with the juice of half a lemon. And then sprinkle a little bit of finely chopped coriander. And then lastly, finish off the preparation with a tablespoon of butter. The peri peri butter garlic prawns are now ready to wow your taste buds. Thanks for watching our video, and if you enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And stay tuned for other seafood recipes coming soon.